Hello guys, today we're going to do a scientific experiment and the question is, can blindfolded people tell the difference between bottled water and tap water? Here is what we're going to do, guys. We're going to put bottled water and tap water into these cups. I'm going to put this blindfold on so I can't see which is which, and I'm going to drink each of them to test which is which, and I predict I'm going to get all of them. It's time to test. And I learned that not all things are so easy.
Yeah? Did you find it harder or easier than you thought it was going to be?
Harder.
Harder. So, did you prove your prediction? So you can't tell the difference between bottle and tap water.
Hey guys, we're going to tell the difference of tap water and mineral water, but now we're gonna try to feel it. Okay, Dad, is this tap water? Mineral water.
That feels like tap water.
Yes.
Ah, it was! More testing needed.
Oh my gosh, look at you. Okay, bye.